Hello, awesome students. Welcome to the lesson Simple, Compound, Complex. After completing this lesson, you will be able to define simple, compound, complex sentences. First, let us learn the difference between classes and phrases. A class is a group of words. A phrase is also a group of words. A class gives complete meaning. A phrase has no complete meaning. A class contains finite verb. A phrase contains non-finite verb. A class indicates subject and things. A phrase doesn't indicate subject and things. For example, I study well. This is a class that contains a subject I and present tense study. Whereas in studying well, there is no subject and tense. Who is studying? We don't know. When the person is studying, we have no answer. This type of word groups are known as phrase. Now, let us have a look on how a class is changed into a phrase. First, we have the class I study English. This is changed as studying English. We are happy. This class is changed as being happy. They completed the task. This is changed as having completed the task. Sentence can be constructed in three ways: simple, compound, and complex. A simple sentence expresses a single complete thought. For example, I am happy. A simple sentence contains only one finite verb. In the sentence I am happy, am is the finite verb. Finite verbs are limited by person, time, and things. A simple sentence can also be identified on the basis of subject and predicate. A simple sentence has only one subject and one predicate. Example, Subha is a doctor. In this sentence, Subha is the subject and is a doctor is the predicate. Compound sentences. A compound sentence consists of two or more coordinating clauses. They have subject and predicate. They are independent and convey complete meaning. Read the following example. Dr. Anita saved a patient's life, so she was very happy. The sentence consists of two coordinating clauses. Clause 1, Dr. Anita saved a patient's life. Clause 2, she was very happy. These classes are independent, connect each other, and convey complete meaning. The clauses in a compound sentence are joined using coordinating conjunctions such as and, but, or, so. The conjunction and is used to connect similar ideas. The conjunction but is used to connect opposite ideas. The conjunction or is used to connect equally important choices. The conjunction so is used to connect continuation of ideas. Let us read the following sentences to understand the use of these conjunctions. All these sentences have two main clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction. Complex sentences. A complex sentence has only one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. The independent clause is also known as the primary clause or the main clause. The dependent clause is known as subordinate clause. Let us read the example. When Velu heard the news, he was astonished. Here, the principal clause is he was astonished because it has a subject he and the predicate was astonished. It also gives complete meaning. So, it is a principal clause or a main clause. Here, the subordinate clause is when Velu heard the news. Though this sentence has subject and predicate, it cannot stand on its own as it begins with a subordinating conjunction when. A subordinate clause often begins with words like as, since, because to give reason, though, although, even though to state opposite ideas, if, unless to apply condition, before, after, till, until, while, when, during to indicate time, where and wherever to mention places. Now, let's read some examples. Now, let us try to transform the following sentence as instructed. On seeing the teacher, the children stood up. We have to change it into a complex sentence. This is a simple sentence which has a phrase and a clause. On seeing the teacher is the phrase and the children stood up is the clause. To transform a simple sentence into complex, we need a subordinating clause and a main clause. We already have a main clause, so just change the phrase into clause. Add a subject, the children. Change the non-finite verb seeing into a finite verb saw. Then add the object, the teacher. We have framed a main clause. Now add a subordinating conjunction to change it into a subordinate clause. Great! We have changed the phrase into a subordinate clause. Now add the main clause, they stood up. That's it. We have transformed the simple sentence into complex.